Our target sound is I, ick. A fun way you can remember this sound is, think of those mystery jelly beans. You know, the ones that have the really disgusting flavors? Well, imagine as if instead of Tutti Frutti, you put stinky socks in your mouth. You'd say ick, ick. You can even think of a little tiny jelly bean being the little tiny dot on top of an eye. This is icky, because the letter I is the most common spelling for I. There's some other ones, and we'll get into that right now. Here is our key sentence. Tim tasted a mystery jelly bean. Ick. So that's our key sentence. Do you see that we not only spell it with the letter I, but there's two other ways that we can spell the I sound. I, Tim, I, tasted, I, mystery. These are the three most common ways to spell I. I, 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 kid. 97% of the time, this is how we spell I. It's the most common spelling. I, Jim. I, pretty. Here are some words that have the I sound. Pretty, physician, river, lips, bicycle, engine, fish, window, busy, give, build. Notice all of these I spellings. There's a couple unique ones there that you might see when you're reading. River, I, river. Pretty, I, t, e, pretty.